me again, Madam BFG. It is April 2nd, 2021, Easter weekend. I am back in North Carolina, this time in the Smoky Mountains. We're doing some camping. We went to a great campground site and lots of lovely trees out here, and we're with more people this time. So not just my husband and my husband's parents, my in-laws, but also their friends, Lisa and Ann, and their dog, Zelda, and their neighbor, Linda. And we also have my in-laws' dog, Yogi. We are surrounded by dogs. We have a lovely, pretty river. Yeah, let me just show you what we got over here. So as you can see, these are the tents we'll be staying in with picnic tables, coolers. Hey, let's say hi to Zelda. Hey, Zelda. She's a pretty girl. She got a hoodie. Hi. Hi, Zelda. And over here is our tents, and we have the river behind us. It's beautiful sounding. Got Lisa and Linda, Ron and went to go for a walk. They should be back in a bit. But we also have my mother-in-law Kim and my husband, and there's Yogi. We are just waiting for the fire to come to coals. And this is what we'll be making for dinner. We got hobo meals. Daniel also found some wild onion while we were looking for some wood, so that's cool. And because it is still Good Friday, me and Daniel have veggie burgers with ground portobello mushrooms, so that's looking forward to it. I'm so happy. And we're gonna make s'mores later. Excitement. All right. I'll probably see you back here tonight. If not, I'll make a video in the morning. Good morning. It is April 3rd, Saturday, still in the Smoky Mountains. We woke up, we kept as warm as we could last night. It was pretty cold, but I'm so glad they have great sleeping bags to sleep in. And the creek behind us helped us sleep peacefully. It was like some damn good ASMR. And yeah, we had a great breakfast waking up, plenty of coffee, had eggs, quiche, we had roasted vegetables, fruit, bagels. Yeah, we were all well fed and satisfied. And it's lovely here. Let me show you a little bit more around the grounds this morning. This is the creek behind our campsite. Sounds great. It's really peaceful. There are some whitewater rapids around this area. Man, I miss that. Yeah, let me show you over to the campsite. Yep, we have Linda, we have my father-in-law. Yeah. Have Lisa and Zelda. There's Ann. And here's Yogi. Hey, Yogi. Hey, Yogi. You being a good girl, Yogi? Yogi's so sweet. Okay. Hey, Yogi. Hey, Yogi. Hi. Hi. Yogi. Yeah. Yogi's a good girl. Very good girl. This is my parents-in-law's dog. And there's Daniel in the red chair and ponytail. Yogi loves him. Yep. We'll most likely be going hiking in a little while. So, yeah, I'll check back in a little bit. All right, see you later. voiceover for this next bit because I discovered while editing that this bit of footage had some mic issues, so I am sorry about that. But I'm here explaining that the trail we're hiking around the campgrounds had waterfalls to look at. Our first waterfall is Tom Branch Falls. See how pretty it is? And I kept my mask on because, as you can see, there were several groups of people walking that day, but thankfully just about everyone kept their masks on. I managed to keep social distance from them, and they were socially distancing from me, which I was pleased to see. And no one was rowdy or causing a ruckus. There just seemed to be a very calm and pleasant atmosphere on the trail. So yeah, that was Tom Branch Falls, and now we make our way to the next one. Okay, we are here at the second fall on this hiking Indian Creek Fall. This one is huge if you can stand it. Yeah, this is Indian Creek Falls. So much water. I would love to try to rapid this, but I'd probably die. Lovely. Okay, we are at the third and final fall. Woo! Had to walk up a steep hill to get here. I am so tired. Oh my god. But this last fall is utterly gorgeous. Check this out. Yep, this is Junie Wank Falls. I did not name it. It's lovely. Hopefully my camera won't get wet. There it goes down the end. And that concludes our fall journey. We're gonna go back to camp and have dinner and rest. Woo! I'm not built for hiking some days. But yeah, thank you for coming with me. See you soon.